Hello student, today I will teach to you the chapter acid, base and salt. In last year, that is in 8th standard, we had studied the definitions of acid, base and its examples. Who can tell me the definitions of acid and base? You know that the substance which having the sour taste and in its aqueous solution or moist blue litmus red change to red, such substance are called acid. In our daily life we will use the sour taste substance is the lemon, orange, tamarind, and chemical example is the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, etc. The examples of acids. Again, you know the definitions of base. The substance which having the sour taste or soapy to touch and its aqueous solution or moist red litmus turns to blue, such substance are called as the base. The best example is the sodium bicarbonate, that is the eating soda, washing soda, sodium carbonate, alum is the best examples of base, and chemical compound is the sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide is the best example of bases. In this chapter, we studied in details about the acid, base and salts. Again, you know the one definition which always complete in the 8th class is the compounds. What is by compounds? You know the definition of the compounds. The atoms of two elements, different two atoms of an element combine chemically and to form a new substance. Such new substance are called as the compounds. For example, when hydrogen molecule is react with chlorine to form a hydrochloric acid, is it not? Here hydrogen is the one molecule, second is the chlorine molecule to form a new substance, the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is an example of compounds. Or second example, sodium oxide is react with water molecule to form a sodium hydroxide solution. The sodium hydroxide also an example of compounds because it contains the two different types of sodium and hydroxide, oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Again, when sodium metal is react with chlorine to form a sodium chloride. This is the three example: hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride is the best examples of compounds. These three compounds is not same chemically because hydrochloric acid is an example of acid, sodium hydroxide is an example of base, and sodium chloride is an example of salt. It means that compounds is mainly classified into three groups or three types: acid, base and salt. The examples of these three compounds is given in this table. The first is the compound is hydrochloric acid. The molecular formula is HCl. Sulfuric acid molecular formula is H2SO4. Nitric acid molecular formula HNO3. Sodium hydroxide NaOH. Potassium hydroxide KOH. Calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Sodium chloride NaCl. Potassium sulfate K2SO4. Ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4. These are different types of compounds given in the tables. There are three types compound: acid, base and salts. If this compound is dissolved in water, then it gives the two types of ion. One is the positive charged ion and second is the negative charged ion. You see here in the first example, hydrochloric acid dissolved in the water, then it gives the H positive ion and Cl negative ion. Sulfuric acid dissolved in water, again it gives the H positive ion and second is the SO4 negative ion. Nitric acid dissolved, it gives the H positive ion and NO3 negative ion. In these three examples, the common basic radical of positive ion is the hydrogen. You know that the substance which contains the hydrogen ion, such substances are called acid. Therefore, HCl is acid, sulfuric acid acid, nitric also acid because it contains the basic radical of positive ion is the hydrogen ion. In the fourth example, sodium hydroxide is ionized in the water, it produces the Na positive ion, OH negative ion. Potassium hydroxide dissolved in water, it gives the K positive ion and OH negative ion. Calcium hydroxide dissolved in water, it gives the calcium positive ion and OH negative ion. Is it not? In these three examples, which is the common ion acidic radical is the OH negative ion. The substance which contain the hydroxide ion, negative charge ion, such substances are called as the base. Therefore, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide is an example of base. You see in the next example carefully, the sodium chloride formula is the NaCl. When it is ionized out, it gives the Na positive ion and Cl negative ion. Potassium sulfate dissolved in water gives the K positive ion and SO4 negative ion. Ammonium sulfate dissolved in water, it gives the NH4 positive ion and SO4 negative ion. You see in the last three examples, the positive ion is not hydrogen and negative ion not the hydroxide. The compound which having the basic radical, that is the H, the positive ion, is other than hydrogen atom, and acidic radical means negative charge ion is other than hydroxide atom or group. Such compounds are called as the salt. The compounds which contain or which having the positive ion is other than hydrogen atom and negative ion is other than hydroxide atom, such compounds are called salt. In last three examples, there is no positive hydrogen ion and no hydroxide ion. Therefore, sodium chloride, potassium sulfate, ammonium sulfate is an example of salt. Understand the definition of salt? How to define? The compound which having the positive charge ion other than hydrogen and negative charge ion other than hydroxide, such compounds are called salt. It means that compound is mainly classified into three types: acid, base and salt. This is the examples of acid, base and salts. How to define the basic radical and acidic radical? Question be asked sometime like this: define the acidic radical and basic radical. Basic radical means in case of base, the ion is formed by replacing the hydroxide ions of base. Such ions are called basic radical. And acidic radical means the ion is formed by replacing the hydrogen ion of acid. The ions are called acidic radical. Or in other words, all positive ion, it shows the property of base, therefore the basic radical, and all negative ion shows the property of acid, therefore all negative ion are called acidic radical. Question may be asked in the examination: define acid, base or salt. Or second question: what are compounds? How are they classified? Or sometimes such type of question also ask define basic radical, acidic radical. Or last question, such type of ask some example is given, molecular formula is given, classify this molecule into three groups: acid, base and salt. Then classify the given molecule into three groups. Such type of question will be asked in the examination. Thank you.